The world of astronomy and astrophysics. My name is Christian Miguel. I'm an engineer. I got a national award for International Astronomy and Astrophysics Competition 2025. Here, I want to demonstrate on the expansion of the universe using PLEIADES and Three STARS. What is PLEIADES? A PLEIADES is a cluster of stars. It contains thousands of stars, but few of these stars can be observed in the night sky. There are three stars close to the Pleiades. Now, the movement of these stars, according to my observation, let me know that the universe is expanding. How does it go? In December 2025, I was able to see the stars beside me. That is in my left hand side. Or before me. That is in my left hand side. By 7 p.m. By 12 a.m., I will be seeing the stars directly above my head. And by 5 a.m., I will be seeing the stars in my left hand side. I mean, in my right hand side, sorry. That is ahead of me. Whenever I stand straight, the stars will appear in my left hand side. That is by 7 p.m. Then by 12 a.m. it will appear directly above my head. Then by 5 a.m. it will appear in my right hand side. Now I was able to study how this movement could demonstrate the expansion of the universe by comparing their pattern of movement with other stars. Then I finally discovered that these stars could demonstrate the expansion of the universe more other than other stars. What am I saying is that the pattern of other stars are still maintained in the night sky. Now, when the star appears, it will move across the night sky and finally disappear when it is done. Now, this process continues even up till now. I'm still seeing the patterns of other stars, but this is different for Pleiades and Three STARS. Now, looking at the diagram, the first figure, this is my left hand side. As I'm starting, this is my left hand side. The stars appears in this form in my left hand side. That is by 7 p.m. Now by 12 a.m. the star appears in this line that is directly above my head. Now by 5 a.m. in the morning the stars appear in this way. That is after me in my right hand side. Now this process continues for 1 year and 2 months. I will be seeing the stars in my left hand side. By 7 p.m. I'll be seeing the stars in the position directly above my head, just as you see the line here, this straight line. Now by 5 a.m. I will be seeing the stars in my right hand side. that is after me. Now, I was able to observe this pattern for a period of 1 year and 2 months. Now, what surprised me is that after 1 year and 2 months, the stars could no longer appear in my left hand side as they used to be. Look at here. This is my left hand side. This is my right hand side. I'll be seeing here in my left hand side by 7 p.m. Then in my right hand side by 5 a.m. I'll be seeing in this line. Look at the line. This line here represents my left hand side, while this line represents my right hand side. This is how the star movement will be. It will start here from my left hand side to my right hand side. Now, after 1 year and 2 months, the stars could no longer be seen in the left hand side, that is before me. It could be seen by my right hand side, that is after me, by 7 p.m. Look at here, by 7 p.m. it used to appear in my left hand side. Now, from in February 2026, I could no longer see the stars by my left hand side. The stars always appear in my right hand side by 7 p.m. Look at the second diagram. This is my left hand side. You can't see the stars here. This is directly above my head. You can't see the stars here. But this is where you start to see the stars ahead of me. Whereas it used to appear before me in the first diagram. Look at the diagram here. This is where I used to see the stars. But as time elapsed, the star will move in this diagram here in a conical form toward the right hand side. So now, from February, the stars always appear ahead of me, that is in my right hand side by 7 p.m. After 2 and 3 months, the stars could no longer be seen. That is, they finally disappear. Now this shows that the stars move far away from my view. Now it tells me that the universe was expanding, and now it is what? Expanding. Now when I compare this movement with the movement of other stars, now this one shows that the universe is expanding, because all other stars still maintain their patterns of movement. They can be seen throughout the night, but this one, Pleiades and 3 stars, will no longer be seen. To me, they were accelerating towards a very far or a very long distance. So I'm here to demonstrate that the universe is expanding using Pleiades and 3 stars. Thank you.